Alright, today is the 29th of 2017, June 29th. Just wanted to capture a quick trade over here. Don't have any homework, don't have any class this Friday, so decided to trade, but this is for a whatchamacallit. This is more for practice trading. So anyways, here it is. Here's the rationale. Let me see. I'm still practice trading here, so let me see. I'm gonna try to pull a. I'm tired of pulling a daily chart. I'll be back. Okay, so what I have is a weekly chart, and it's kind of related to that last question I received from one of the subscriber or viewer of my channel as far as a see. Sorry about that. I'm kind of sort of unprepared here. As you can see, there's a this is my trading strategy. There was a question that was posted there, and he was asking how I'm kind of putting the picture all together. So let's start with the weekly chart. So that's the 8:30 bell Central Time. Equity open. So anyways, so this one, as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 5 weeks in a row it's just been selling, right? So at some point you have to have some kind of I guess you should build an intuition that at certain point this thing is going to be due for a bounce. So like you see this one 3 weeks in a row, huge, especially something like this, it put out a huge long bottom wick. You could expect a bounce from that kind of price action, and so is this one right here, being down 5 days in a row, nothing but selling. So for this week, the focuses should be really on try to be long. Where especially when near lows, those are all the buyings are. So anyhow, let's put this into the daily. The daily chart looks like this. Especially yesterday's move was so strong. As you can see, the close of that is 44.88 and the high is 90, so it's like 2 cents from the high. So it's no surprise that this thing is going to try to retest that high, and as you can see, it kind of pulled up a little bit. But at the same time, this thing is you see there's some kind of support structure here and broke down, and so is here. There's like a support structure and broke down. So right now, this price action is testing the lows, which is the support, used to be a support right here. So that's why I put a two line right here to see where that bounce might happen, right? But at the time I did not catch this, so I figured selling might be imminent here, and that's why I sold this. So I was hoping for it to retrace all the way to 28, but I have to admit I kind of chased it a little bit. Um, and being out so long from trading, kind of my practice strategy is to go through sim trades and take small targets. So as you can see, I it was this kind of an easy way to trade, because um, where I decided to short, the rationale is that you could see this thing kind of double top, and so the support is very clear, right? So oops, let's put in a price action. Let's see, where's that? Oh, here we go. So as you can see, there was support here, broke down, and then tried one more time, broke down again, and then you see this other support right here at 45.26, but just cannot trade above that. So I was like, okay, well, if this thing goes down, I'm gonna try to short this level. And I was waiting for 28.26, didn't quite make it there. I mean, it sold off at 23, so I was like, okay, well, I don't have a chance anymore of getting it. And so the trend, like, there's a momentary downtrend that's taking place intraday. So I had some wiggle room to play with, so I figured it was going to go lower than 45.08 since the last for this micro, I'm calling it a micro downtrend just because it's intraday. So that it has a chance to go lower. So if I'm trying to get 10 cents out of this, then I have a good chance of getting filled, which is 5 ticks away from the low. And so by the time I caught it, it was already this candle right here when I shorted it from. And consolidation's very very slim. It's like 16 to 20, and then 22 to like it's like 4 ticks, right? So unfortunately with this one, I was risking 1 to 1. My risk reward, it's not my typical 1.7 to 2 risk reward, so I took a 1 to 1 type trades because you know the entry is at 13, so the 23 stop is right here, so which is way above here. And so I figured that's kind of what's working with me as far as stacking the odds in your favor. And also let's see, there's another one, just the price formation. This is nothing more than price formation. If you look at the 10-minute chart, so if I hover my mouse here, see I shorted on the second candle because you see every time it rallies up, it sells back off, rally backs up and sells back off. So it's right here is really evident that the down move ready to happen right there. So that's kind of higher time frame kind of supporting my thesis. So that's all the reason why I shorted this. So and my stop was never even tested. Highest it went is about 3 ticks, which is fairly consistent with these little mini pullbacks. It's like 4 ticks in range. So and my stop being right here, like I said, it's a 1 to 1. So I was able to get what I was looking for, and I'm one and done. So anyways, hopefully this serves some lessons for you guys. To those who are watching, continue to support my channel. I notice I have several more other subscribers that are coming in. So if you're new to my channel, I appreciate you taking the time to watch it. If you can click that like button, it certainly helps me promote it. You know the reason, the cause as to why I'm doing this. So it'll sure help me a lot. So anyhow, that's it. If you have any questions, my comment box is always open for any constructive feedback, or if there's something not clear that you want to understand. So until then, I'll see you guys on the next video I put together. I'm not sure if I'm going to trade today. I think I might. I'm going to just take a day off. I just got so many things happening in life right now that I can certainly use a day off. And plus, I think I'm coming down with the flu. So anyhow, alright, well, that's it for me. I'll see you all in the next video. I hope I explained all the rationale as to why I took the trade this morning. If not, I can always explain. So just give me a holler. So anyhow, y'all have a good one. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video I'll put together. Good day.